In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a lovable project using prompts. This process is designed to be straightforward yet effective, and by the end of this guide, you'll have all the tools you need to get started with your own project. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the website Lovable. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL lovable.dev. This site is a fantastic resource for generating ideas through prompts. As you load the page, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. The user-friendly interface is designed to help streamline your creativity and guide you towards crafting a project that truly resonates with you or your audience. Once you've arrived at the Lovable site, the next step is to dive right in by typing in a prompt. Really think about what you're passionate about or interested in exploring further. As you type, don't be afraid to experiment with different ideas and phrases. The key here is to be open and receptive to the various possibilities that come to mind. Your prompt might be a simple phrase or a complex idea. What matters most is that it sparks your creativity. After you've typed in your chosen prompt, it's time to take action. Look for the arrow pointing upwards on the interface and click on it. This arrow is your gateway to generating a project centered around the prompt you have entered. Clicking it tells the platform that you're ready to proceed with your idea and begin the transformative process of turning it into something tangible and inspiring. As you click that arrow, keep in mind that this step may take some time. Patience is key here. The system will be working to synthesize your prompt and generate ideas that will help shape your project. This is where Lovable's technology does its magic, processing information in ways that consider creativity and practicality. During this interval, you might want to jot down any early thoughts or ideas that come to mind, as these could be useful as you move forward. Remember, creating something lovable is all about infusing your project with genuine passion and creativity. This could be the seed of what eventually blossoms into a larger initiative, product, or piece of content. Spend your waiting time reflecting on the potential impact your project could have and how it aligns with your goals or values. So, there you have it, a concise guide to creating a lovable project using prompts. By visiting Lovable, typing in your prompt, clicking the arrow, and allowing time for processing, you're well on your way to bringing a delightful and impactful project to life. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide serves as a helpful starting point for your creative journey.